how to fix the search box is not working on your Mac computer. So if you're trying to search for a specific file and document and it's not coming up in this search box, then I'll show you exactly how to go and fix this. Now all you need to do is come up to the top left hand side of your Mac and click on the Apple logo. Now press System Settings and then go and click on this search box here. Now go and type in Spotlight Search like this and then go and click on Spotlight from the list of options. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, click on Search Privacy. You could then click on this plus icon here. You could then click on the drop down arrow at the top of this page, and you need to go and select your hard drive. So it should say Macintosh HD like this, and then just go and press choose. Now it will say, are you sure you want to prevent Spotlight from searching in this drive? Go and press OK. Now go and click on done. You could then scroll back down to the bottom of this page and select Search Privacy, click on Macintosh HD and click on the minus button, and then go and press Done one final time. Now you may need to restart your computer, but when you try using the Spotlight search again, it should be able to find your files and documents.